of my own. I was born to belong to the lines of a song and make me high. I believe in happy endings, so I only know of you. For as rare as they are, like a bright falling star, I found one in you. Sometimes all the world can seem so friendless, and the road ahead so endless, and the dreams so far away. Sometimes when I'm almost to surrender, then it's tough and I remember I'm here to say nothing.
Sabi ni Teres,
Of
ayaw na naman
imagination
nalang ka mamahalin. Ngayon daw kakantay na
has been
kayo ang aking
when I felt you were there with your hand in the air, yeah, you brought the star. Sometimes after all you've done to save me, through the love you freely gave me, every step along the way. Sometimes people ask what keeps me going, and the truth it comes from knowing I'm here to say my name. Sometimes wishing words would come to tell I'm here to say my name.
Kaya bawasan ng gumamit ng cellphone yun.
Bakit?
Lahat ng tao nabibili na.
Ay, nabibili ko.